Crowdfunding Decoded. Getting working capital to grow your business doesn't have to be hard. Many companies these days turn to crowdfunding. A lot of these options will work for startup ventures, but there are details you should know. Perks are a must for a lot of campaigns. Consider how much complexity you think you can handle. 5 levels of perks are a lot, and 3 is already pushing it. Virtual perks are easier to fulfill than physical ones. Manners matter. Thank everybody. Be gracious if you don't make your goal. You should still thank everybody. If you're on a budget, put your money into your campaign video rather than your perks, and then just offer fewer perks to save money. But how does the law affect crowdfunding? Your perks might be considered sales under the Uniform Commercial Code. This has not been litigated yet. This means your perks might be subject to UCC warranties like merchantability, which means can it be sold, and fitness for a particular purpose. Virtual perks usually don't have these issues. If you misuse your funding, you may end up in an unpleasant meeting with your state's attorney general, because that may or may not be misrepresentation. In 2014, the Washington State Attorney General's office brought suit because a 2012 Kickstarter campaign never delivered a unique deck of playing cards. The campaign didn't deliver the product or the perks. They were sued under the Consumer Protection Law, and the state won. Let's recap. Crowdfunding has nuances which help your campaign succeed. Not every product or service will work. Give donors the feeling they must donate to the campaign. Multiple perk levels adds complexity. Keep it simple. Don't get greedy or break your promises to your backers. Contact us today to learn more about Crowdfunding Decoded.